Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this November the 17th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Monday out there so far. Everybody had a great Monday evening. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we can be taking a look at the lower 48 and the tropics, plus your local forecast is included as well. We're going to take a look at that also. But first, we're going to start off here in the tropics. You can see it's pretty quiet across much of the tropic, the western tropical Atlantic, the Gulf, much of the Caribbean. You can see pretty quiet there as well. Got a little bit of activity in the MDR region, but nothing to write home about. Got some activity over South America, a little bit in the Eastern Pacific. Got a little tropical wave right in this area here. Looks kind of interesting, so we need to monitor that. And then we got another system here going to move into the Pacific Northwest over toward Washington, Oregon, and Northern California as well. We already got some atmospheric moisture already moving into that area across California, Nevada, up in a portion of Washington, Oregon State, Idaho, Montana to Utah, and also Arizona. Got more activity stretching from Wyoming over through the Dakotas, also over toward Minnesota. Also a little activity over here toward Illinois and Missouri regions as well. Pretty quiet along the East Coast, also portions of the South and Southeastern U.S. as well. Not my channel, make sure you subscribe, also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. And we're going to take a look at your local forecast, and we're going to start off with your Tuesday forecast. And thank you for tuning in to the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel. And here is your Tuesday forecast. Alright, mixed precipitation up here from Pennsylvania to portion of DC, West Virginia to Ohio to Michigan to Wisconsin, Minnesota, and portion of Northeast Iowa. More mixed precipitation in portion of Colorado to Arizona, Utah, Nevada, California. A little bit of heavy snow over portion of California and Nevada region as well. More mixed precipitation in Oregon to Idaho to Montana to Washington State, right on the Canadian-U.S. border. Got some shower activity there as well. Western Washington State, central Washington State, coastal areas of California toward the Baja region as well. Thunderstorms and showers down here from Southern California to Arizona, western portions of Mexico, also southern New Mexico, and extreme western Texas. Got some heavy rain and flash flooding over portions of southern Nevada into Arizona. More showers and thunderstorms from Iowa to Illinois to Missouri to Tennessee to northern Alabama, northern Georgia, also northern Mississippi, western North Carolina, also portion of central and northeast North Carolina to Virginia, DC, Delaware, New Jersey, and the coastal waters as well. Otherwise, big dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Tuesday. Alright, let's move on to your Wednesday outlook now, and it should roll out something like this here. As you can see, we've got some shower activity up here around Maryland, Delaware, and DC. Thunderstorms and showers from West Virginia to Kentucky to Illinois to Iowa to Missouri to Arkansas to Oklahoma to Texas, New Mexico, also southern Arizona, northern Mexico as well. Got some shower activity portion of Utah, southern California, central northern California, Washington, Oregon State, and the coastal waters. Got some mixed precipitation Washington, Oregon, California to Idaho to Montana, southern Canada, stretching in northwestern North Dakota, Wyoming, Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona, and Utah, and eastern Nevada region as well. Otherwise, expect your high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Wednesday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map you're locating across the nation. And it should roll out something like this here. You can see we got winter weather advisories up here in portion of New York State, portions of Ohio, portion of extreme western West Virginia, and a couple counties in portions of Kentucky. Also more over in areas of Wisconsin, Minnesota, one in South Dakota, a couple counties in areas of Wyoming. Also more in the California mountain range as well. Even some winter storm warnings there also. Flood advisories and also some flood warnings and flood watches for southern California, southern Nevada, and western areas of Arizona. High wind warnings over here in a couple counties of Wyoming. Special weather statements in portion of eastern Tennessee, western Virginia, North Carolina, a little bit in portion of northeast West Virginia, and also areas of DC. Then we got smoke rat advisory gale warning from Maine to the Rhode Island, New Jersey, Delaware coast, southern California, Washington State. We got some winter weather advisories with southern Hawaii and Chain Island. More winter weather advisories up here in portions of western Alaska. Even some winter storm warning, heavy freezing spray warnings to the coastal areas, and small craft advisory gale warnings along the coastal areas of Alaska as well. Alright, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. And it should roll out something like this here. Here is your day 2, which is Tuesday. We have a marginal risk up here around Springfield to Jefferson City. East of Jefferson City, St. Louis, Missouri, you're included. Evansville, Kentucky, Louisville, Kentucky, Bowling Green, and general thunderstorms elsewhere from Roanoke to Columbus. And also over here toward Tucson, San Diego, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, and also Cedar City, Utah. Alright, the tornado probability looks like this. 2% up here around Evansville, Bowling Green, and Louisville, Kentucky. Damaging winds. 5% over here from Evansville to Louisville and Bowling Green areas once again. Large hail. Pretty much same location. Springfield to St. Louis to Bowling Green, Louisville, and Evansville, Kentucky regions as well. Alright, let's move on to day number 3, and it should look something like this here. Alright, we got a marginal risk down here for a portion of Midlands, east of Fort Stockton, Abilene, Wichita, and Dallas. General thunderstorm from Phoenix to Tucson to El Paso to Amarillo to Springfield to Jefferson City to Waco to San Antonio. And the probability should look like this. 5%. Alright, let's move on to the tropics. We're going to take a look at the National Hurricane Center. And fortunately, it should look like this. No tropical activity is expected over the next 7 days. So, alrighty, so hopefully we'll round out the end of hurricane season for 2025 on a quiet note. So, alright, well, everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. Have a wonderful Monday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.